Today is our allocation day. Welcome to our video on land transaction. Before a client gets his land allocated, a very crucial document called registered deed of assignment needs to be signed. Hello everyone, my name is Chibuzor of Chi Good Homes and Properties. I sell estate lands and houses for registered, verified, and certified real estate firms. Today we'll be talking on the importance of registered deed of assignment. Come in with me as I go in to sign and collect a registered deed of assignment from this company on behalf of my client before he gets allocated. So what is a registered deed of assignment? It is an agreement between a seller of a property and the buyer, showing that the seller has transferred all his rights, title, interest, and ownership to the buyer. And this agreement is registered with the relevant government authorities like land registry. In case you're buying from a real estate company, this registered deed of assignment comes in copies. It comes in about 4 or 5 copies, to which the company will keep some for evidence of transaction with you, and you, the buyer, will keep some as your property. Registered deed of assignment is legally binded. It must be legally binded. And for the buyer to secure the ownership of the property, there must be protection of his right and interest in the deed of assignment. Because deed of assignment is a formal document and a formal agreement, the signature of both the seller and the buyer must be in the registered deed of assignment. Oh yes. So as a buyer, you must make sure that the seller's signature is there, and you as the buyer, your signature also must be there. Deed of assignment must contain the details of both the buyer and the seller. I mean, addresses of both the buyer and the seller. It must contain the price of the land, the size of the land, and the location of the land. It must be prepared by a lawyer and submitted to the relevant authorities like land registry for official vetting. It must have registration stamp on it or the seal of the land registry. Okay, it must have the date of the filing. Okay, it must also have, must be searchable. You can, with the register survey, you can go to the Ministry of Land and search the land. So it must be searchable. All the identities of both parties must be verified, and it must also show that the land should not be or cannot be encumbered by any circumstances. Okay, so with all these, you now know what to expect whenever you see a registered survey. It is very, very important. This is what signifies the true ownership of any property you purchased from any land vendor. I forgot to mention red flags to look out for. Okay, when you see inconsistencies in the supporting documents or in the document, run. When you see that it is not registered or partially registered, you didn't see stamps, run. When you suspect the signatures, or maybe the signatures are not clear or inconsistencies in the signatures, my dear, run. Just run, because if something is not right about it, it is not right. So join us as we tour to our estate for the physical allocation. You already know everything about the registered survey, and knowledge put to use is power. So we'll be going to our estate along Lekki Ebe Express Road by ShopRite, Sangotedo precisely, for the proper allocation. You can see that the road to the estate is a very busy road. You can see activities going on, daily activities, daily economic activities going on along this Lekki Ebe Express Road. There is Lagos Business School. There are so many malls. By the left side is the Imperial Estate. By the right side is the Novera Shopping Mall. You can see that the estate is tarred. I mean, the road to the estate is tarred. A very beautiful road, a very beautiful environment, filled with different kinds of estates here for family living. Okay. The road to the estate is tarred. You can see the people that came for their physical allocation. So we don't just sell land, we sell and we allocate to our clients. Wherever you are and you bought property from us, just be assured that you will get your lands allocated to you. We do what we say and we say what we do right here in AY Homes Investment Limited. So listen up.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a testament that we do what we say. Today is allocation day. As you can see, we are here in the site. Today is that day that the clients will take possessions of the lands that they bought from us. From the survey down to the deeds, the lands are properly documented. So there is no stories, there is no fallacies, there is no, I don't know how to put it, but the thing is that what we are doing here is real. Okay, okay, you can see that clients are going in for their allocation. Everything we are doing here is well documented. The contract, the survey, registered survey document, and the deed, they are all here with us. So we do what we say and we say what we do. Lagos is a mega city. Every good investor should invest in a city like this. Sangotedo is an emerging location, well planned, well sorted after. So when you look for property that are well documented, properties that you will buy and have peace of mind. That's the MD there. That's the MD. So when you want properties that you buy and have peace of mind, give Chibuzor the Billionaire Golden Realtor a call, and I will give you companies that know what they are doing, verified, certified, and good companies, good real estate companies that know what they are doing. I look forward to hearing from you. Call me today for all your real estate needs, and you'll be glad you did. Bye.